Want to know how much time you spend on a specific app? Your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra makes it easy to check. Here's how to do so. Just long press the app icon on your home screen or app screen. And then tap the app info icon. On the app info screen, tap screen time. Now you will see detailed usage stat for the app, including the total screen, how many notifications it sent, and how many times you open it. You can switch between a weekly view or daily view to track your habit over time. This is a great way to stay mindful of your screen time or find out which apps are eating up your day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.